Hi, Mami. Good morning. Eto, start na tayo ng freshness, ng beautifying. Mag-serum muna tayo. Okay. And then massage. Aging na eh, oh. Aging na tayo, oh. Kailangan freshness. And then our keratin. Ganyan lang. Okay. Ating matanggal ang mga lines. Oh. Ay, nako. Stress is the big factor. Okay. After nyan, syempre, we have to seal it with a UV glow with a UV protection. Okay. Para protektadong skin natin outside. Yan. Menthol pala to, menthol. Okay. That completes our beauty regimen for the day. Bye!